What country are you from? What language do you speak? Whether you are from Afghanistan, Haiti, or Brazil, you grew up learning how to speak the language of your community. In America, English is one of the most commonly spoken languages. And just like every language in every country, English has a pattern. That pattern helps us to organize what we say so that other people can understand us. Cat big is very different from the cat is big. Both sentences have the same 4 words, but one is organized in the sentence pattern that we use in English to help us understand one another. In this video, you will learn how sentences are created in English. You will learn the order and the different parts of a sentence. The sentence pattern we use in English is called the SVO sentence pattern. S stands for subject, V stands for verb, and O stands for object. Over the next few videos, we will learn more about each of these different parts of the sentences. First, let's find out what they mean. The subject is who or what the sentence is about. The verb tells what the subject is or is doing. The object is who or what the subject acts upon. Let's look at an example. The dog chews on a bone. In this sentence, the dog is the subject, or what the sentence is about. Chews is the verb, or what the subject is doing. A bone is the object of the sentence, or what the subject is acting upon. The bone receives the action of the subject, the dog. Let's look at another example. The boy writes on paper. In this example, the subject is the boy. He is who the sentence is about. The verb is writes. This tells us what the subject, the boy, is doing. The object is paper. It tells us what the boy will write on. Each of these sentences follows the SVO sentence pattern. Think about your language. Does your language use the same or a similar pattern? Well, if you speak French, Portuguese, Haitian Creole, or Spanish, then the answer is yes. These languages also use a SVO sentence pattern. If you speak Pashto or Dari, your language uses a different sentence pattern. In Pashto and Dari, you use a SOV sentence pattern. This is important to remember because it's going to help us to pay close attention to how we write and speak. So remember, their English language uses a SVO sentence pattern to create sentences. S is for the subject, or who or what the sentence is about. V is for the verb, or what the subject is or is doing. And O is the object, or who or what the subject is acting upon.